The personal memorable times for me was the Robusta coffee one that I mentioned was a breakout. Trading gold to the long side when we had a setup within a setup that gave us a very tight risk reward. There was a 1:42 I think we got on that, extremely high. It was a long-term trade and it took 11 months to make its $1,300 target, but it was very exciting, and there were lots of smaller setups on the way that allowed it trade within trade. So I enjoyed the gold bull period. I had a fabulous setup on the downside that we took a very quick $270+ move out of, which was huge, and I had all my board on the virtual private network were very excited about it and had taken it as well. So it was really fun because I had all my traders trading my strategy, all making money simultaneously, and substantial because it was a nice tight pinch. We had a pattern within a pattern as well with that, so it was very high risk reward. Enjoyed that and enjoyed the teamwork of that. Certainly the Euro Swiss franc was very pleasurable because I'd actually switched off and forgotten actually almost that I had the order in. So you do all your work, you place the order and you forget and you go away. It's often the best way, and you came back and found suddenly there's a trade actually on and it's in profit substantially. I was even a bit nervous because I always feel you have to watch a trade once it's on, even though I've got to stop and to take profit in. The watching does nothing. The money's made in the sitting. And I'd been on holiday all along, not even knowing I was in the trade, which is part of the safety of having your entire trade expression expressed at the outset and planned. But I still feel like I need to watch it. You know, oh, I must check the P&L. And I thought, wow, that's the sales position. That's how much I got in there. Wow, I should have been watching that. You know, well, it doesn't do anything. But it was a very nice surprise. It's almost like a Christmas present. And that's what trading can do for you once you master it and you're on the right side of the markets. So that was very, very memorable. Calling a 75% decimation market cap in a stock, I was proud of doing that. You know, that was at a time where I was feeling a bit oil bullish. That changed. And I was trading a fund, and the people that were fundamental saying you're crazy, and they were long, and they kept trying to shake me out of my position, and they made me more and more resolute to stay in it. So I actually had the pleasure in that people doubted me that I could look at a chart and actually say something that was £1.2 would actually trade at 29 pence, and that was a feasible prediction. So that was very satisfying from a point. It wasn't hugely rewarding, and you know, it was worth a few thousand, but it wasn't, from a call point of view, it was outrageous in appearance for someone who's technically company ignorant to look at directly in your eye and say on a board, your market cap's going to be 1/4 of what it is within a year.